So now you can see the question is the pass down 4 is premium question. And then the question is the weekly challenges. So let's do this one, and then you need to go to the three condition. And then the three condition is the 100 digit represent that D. Here the 10 digit represent a position P of this node in the level, and the unit digit represent the value V of this node. You guys see it's the range, right? The value should be between the range. Now here you can see the diagram. So this one is the input array. So now how do we get to solve this question? We need to know how to build the tree, how to convert this input array into the tree. If we know how to do that, actually the question very simple, right? So because the question say we need to get we need to get the pass sum, and the 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1 equal to 12, right? The pass sum is easy if we know how to build the tree. Now let's go to here. The one is our tree. So the one is our input array. So here, the first digit is the 100 digit is the question already said, right? Is the level. So now, so actually we can convert each number into 2D array. Yeah, we can use the 2D array represent the tree, and then we can get the pass sum. So now we know here the question say the 100 digit represent the death, right? So 1 to 5, 1 to 4. So here we can here you can see here 5 row. Why here 5 row? Because the 4 row for the parent, last level for the children. So natural I provide the 5, and then you can see here how many position here. It should be 8. So but I put here 9 is fine. It just you need to put line here. So for each level. Now we when we get an array to the array, now we need to put this number into the 2D array. So now here C is first level. Okay, here and the first position, right? You mean here, and then it's 3. Now we go to the second number. It's second level as first position with the 5. Here now let's go to the last number is second level, second position, and with the 1 here, right? So now we build the tree successfully. Now we just get the pass. So how do we know who who is the children of the 3? So they have two formula we need to follow. The left children is you need to, so now we need to get the position. We know the position of 3 is 1, right? So now we get a 1, the position times to 2 minus 1, we got a 1, right? So now here the 1 mean the last level where the position is 1 is our children, is the children of the 3. So we know 5, because 5 in the first position of second level, right? And then in this one, if the formula is for the left children, right children is 1 times to 2, we got the 2, right? So now we need to go to the second level, the second position of second level. Okay, we know this one, this node is the children of 3, right? So we just use these two formula to know who is the children of parent node. This our solution. And then how do we know the one case, we also need to know because you see, how do we know this one is our already is the leaf? So if the current node is leaf, okay, so we cannot keep going down, right? So here we need to provide -1 and -1 and then -1 and then -1. And here, so now we need to use this position to get who is the children of 5, right? So now left children get the -1, right children also -1. Okay, we know the current node is the leaf, so cannot keep going down. And then we need to get the sum. And the same thing here for the next position, we will get these two, -1, -1, right? Left children is -1, and the right children also -1. So now here is our solution. So now let's come to our program. The first step, we need to one second, is sum equal to 0, and then we need to create array, right? 2D array. It's 5 with 9. So now we need to array that field. -1. After here, we need to convert the number into 2D array. Now is first digit equal to numbers I. So let me now we need to get a second digit. So by 10 in the mode by 10. Now it's third digit. It's the number I is mode by 10. Now we need to array the first and the second with value. No, what is third. Now we complete our the tree. Now next step we need to use the DFS to go through this array, and then we need to find the sum. That's why I put right here. It's global variable, right? Now we need to DFS, and then we need to provide the one. The first one is the depth. The second one is the position, and then we need to provide our array, and then we need to provide the 0. The 0 means the sum, current sum, and then finally we need to return the sum. Now we need to complete the df function. To the array, the current sum. Now when we finish this one, we need to provide the edge case. So if the depth greater than 4 over the position is greater than A over the DP, oh not DP, array depth with the position equal to -1. Okay, which means it's trial, right? Or it's not, we didn't fill with any number. So we need to make sure the index should be in bound. So that's why we need to return nothing. Now next step, we need to get the current sum with the array depth and position, right? Now next step, we need to check if no, we need to create left children children equal to just like I mentioned, position times 2 minus 1 is left children, right? Now right children, position times 2. Okay, now we need to check. We need to check the current position is the leaf unless left children, if left children equal to 1 or right children also equal to 1, which means okay, current node is the last list, right? So now the current sum have to add to the sum, because the sum we need to return as result, right? Okay, we need to check if the dash equal to 4 or array and the depth plus 1 is go to next level, right? So now, and then left children equal to -1 under, sorry, it should be inside this one, under array depth the right children equal to -1. Okay, now we know the current node is the leaf, so we need to sum with the current sum. Now when we complete this one, so we need to return, right? Because here already is the last leaf, last row, right? We cannot keep going down. So here we need to keep calling the DI function, because we need to loop through the entire tree, entire 2D array. So we need to provide the depth plus 1. We need to go to the next level in the position. It should be position is, we need to just provide the left children, and then this array and the current sum. Now we need to copy this one. And here, copy the right children here. Now let's run it. Okay, you can see pass on the test case here. Okay, even though it's not the first step, but it's reached 85% here. So it's still very good solution. And then thank you for watching this video. Because here we use the 2D array here, but you can see here's constant, right? So now we can analyze the complexity. Let's see. You can see the time complexity is ON, right? Now thank you for watching this video.